Okay, 6:16 a.m., 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna go for a run. We're all here. Time to go for a 3-mile jog, run, walk, whatever. Moon's crescent there, nice and bright. We're starting this race. They got flags from all over the world here. There's a dock all the way out there. Some lily pads in the water here. I don't think flash will do anything. Nope, just makes it worse. The water here is so calm. And then you go out there and you see the wind pushing the water. There you go on the dock. Tower in the distance. Some fish are eating the little buggies that fly around. Start the race soon. Lots of people here. Lots of people. Lots of people. Lots of people going. Salt Lake Veterans Memorial. People turning around to run. Past the halfway point. It's been about 20 minutes. Halfway point's all the way back there. Whew. Epic Cycles Energy. We just passed that Prisoners of War, the memorial thing. There's people rowing over there. Almost there. Somebody fishing down there. Whew. We're almost there.
All right, now Binh, good job. All right.
Made it. Time to get some water. Some ducks there. Driving home. See the nice lake. Nice lake. Made some Alfredo. Prepping for crickets.
Cardboard in between these, and they'll stack them like 2 or 3 high.
We got 8 crates. Can see them all in there. Oh. Okay, they layer all the 8 crates already.
Yep.
I'm surprised they don't like jump everywhere. They just crawl.
Oh, they go jumpy soon.
Uh-oh, there you go.
Oh, lost one. Whoop. No, come back here.
You'd be like, I got a cricket infestation in my house after trying to feed my bearded lizard. He hears them, he started like crawling. No. He heard
Here,
him,
you
now
want
he's
some
like
crickets?
crawling. He's like, what's that sound? I hear some. I hear something.
Maybe I'll just get rid of this part first. Here, you want to go in there? No, I don't want that. Here.
He's right in front of you. He jumped off my hand and now he's playing dead.
That's fine. We'll get eaten here in a second.
Here, eat it.
Well, there's another one on
There you go. We got an escapee. Come here. Oh, that's right. Jump. No! Jump into my hand. Come on, jump up so I can grab you. No. It's so hard to pick them up when they're on the ground. You grab these things. Come on. No, he escaped. There we go. Okay. There you go. Quick. Some cranes walking back there. I don't know where they're going. There's nothing over there. Sorry, the windscreen is making it too blurry. This is where the academy students live. These expensive houses up on that fancy hill. Okay, this Costco in Florida has a separate door just for liquor. That's weird. I've never seen that before. So Costco in Florida has actual lactate, not their Costco brand. Interesting. I don't know if there's something with this Florida Costco, but they gave samples of that Zip Fizz stuff and they gave a whole bottle. Costco was taking too long with the pizza, so well, first we had like slices, but they ran out of slices and they were asking if it's okay to get cheese, but we ended up changing because they ran out of hot dogs first. So we changed our one hot dog to another pepperoni pizza slice, so we had 2 slices, and I'm like, might as well get a whole pepperoni pizza. So we canceled the 2 slices, and then they ended up like closing the orders before we could order the pizza, so they had us go to the food counter, and then luckily they were like, okay, we'll throw on another pizza, but the wait's gonna be like half an hour or so. So I figured might as well drive down, charge a bit, and then come back. So yeah, so we're gonna be charging soon somewhere over here. All right, we're charging next to this Wawa store. Got some people stopping to check out the truck, and we'll see. It says 30 minutes to charge to 80%, but we don't really need to charge that much, so we'll see. Also, it's 6:25 p.m. here, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's pretty humid outside. Wow, they're taking forever to make the pizza, so I decided to continue charging. And yeah, so we're just waiting for the pizza now, and I'll start heading over in a bit. Alright, they finally got the pizza. I got to 8%. Let's go. Wow, look at that. The sun is like hiding behind that cloud. Looks pretty cool. Here's Montverde Academy.
Yes, they have a
It's a really big high school.
It's beach volleyball.
Sand volley. No, that was a pit. I thought they were
No, back there.
construction.
No,
doing-
back there's
Oh.
That's why they call it academy and not
Yep,
high school.
it's big. Academy. It's really big. It's almost like a college campus. Look at that. Yeah, look at the sunset. It's so nice. That giant cloud, the inside is glowing pink. Look at that. And you got the little ones over there. And you got that whole big, it's like a storm cloud, but it's glowing pink. We ate salad, hot dogs, and pizza. Had some relish and some frozen mangoes.